Garmin has long been known for making tough, no-nonsense smartwatches for serious athletes and adventurers. But the upcoming Fenix 8 Pro is looking less like a modest update and more like a total overhaul. The leaks aren't just impressive, they're game-changing. Whether you're a marathon runner, mountain hiker, or weekend warrior, this watch is shaping up to be something very different from its predecessors. The buzz around the Fenix 8 Pro is intensifying, not just because of hardware changes, but because it seems Garmin is finally bridging the gap between ultra-durable outdoor gear and sleek, modern tech. What's truly surprising? It's not just the added tech. It's the refinement, the precision, and the way it seems to fit both elite training and everyday use. And yes, there's a price jump, but what you're getting might finally justify it. We're diving deep into every major leak, update, and rumor. This is your complete technology review breakdown of the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, a legacy reimagined. The Fenix line started as a rugged, niche watch for hardcore adventurers. Oversized and almost militaristic in design, it prided itself on battery life and satellite precision. Over time, Garmin introduced solar charging, smaller S versions, and a more polished user interface. But the Fenix 8 Pro seems poised to change what we expect from the series. Again, a screen that finally wows. One of the most exciting upgrades is the display. Garmin has long favored memory in pixel, MIP, displays for their sunlight readability and battery efficiency. But now, say hello to micro-LED. This could be the biggest display shift Garmin has ever made. Micro-LED tech blends the best of OLED's contrast with the durability of LED, all while avoiding the burn-in risks associated with OLED panels. For the Fenix 8 Pro, this means better visibility in all lighting conditions, richer color for maps and data screens, and most surprisingly, greater efficiency. If early reports are true, this display could outperform even Garmin's most power-conscious screens. Pair that with an improved solar ring that draws in more light thanks to underglass integration, and we might be looking at a battery beast. Early numbers suggest a 30% solar efficiency boost without needing a bigger bezel. Combine that with micro-LED's low draw, and expedition mode might stretch to 6 weeks between charges. Next-level GPS with smart switching. Navigation is the beating heart of any Fenix, and the 8 Pro doesn't disappoint. Multi-band GPS continues from the last model, giving you access to a wide array of satellites and frequencies for rock-solid accuracy. But now, Garmin is adding SAT-IQ, a smart algorithm that adjusts GPS frequency on the fly depending on your environment. Running in an open field, it dials things back to save energy. Navigating through an urban canyon or dense forest, it kicks up the precision without burning extra battery when you don't need it. This kind of smart efficiency could extend battery life significantly while making navigation more reliable in tricky terrain. There's also a rumored points of interest overhaul, pulled from Garmin's car navigation systems. Imagine searching for a coffee shop while on a run in a new city, straight from your watch without needing your phone. That's a small but meaningful upgrade for anyone who travels or trains in unfamiliar places. Smarter sensors, deeper metrics. Sensors get a major bump as well. The Fenix 8 Pro will reportedly include Garmin's 4th generation Elevate heart rate module. Earlier versions already challenged chest straps for low heart rate accuracy. The new version improves performance during high-intensity efforts and accounts for variable skin contact better than ever. A skin temperature sensor is also joining the party, bringing new depth to calorie calculations, recovery tracking, and altitude adjustment algorithms. Plus, SpO2 tracking will become more reliable with a secondary red light diode, designed to work better even when your hands are freezing and blood flow is weak. Another major change. Real-time stress tracking is being refined. The watch now samples heart rate variability, HRV, every second, producing rolling readiness scores instead of just a vague, "you're tired" number. You'll see metrics broken down by sleep, past workouts, and even your current recovery curve. And when you hit the gym, expect smarter tracking. The new sensor fusion chip allows for eccentric and concentric rep recognition during strength workouts. That means better tracking of load, volume, and estimated muscular fatigue, bringing Garmin much closer to what Whoop or Aura users expect from recovery analytics. Entertainment and everyday use. Garmin hasn't forgotten the fun stuff. Music storage is expected to double to 32 gigabytes. Spotify, Deezer, and Amazon Music remain supported for offline use. But perhaps the best addition is support for LC3, Bluetooth's new low-energy audio codec. This could allow for longer headphone and watch battery life during long runs with music streaming. Connectivity also improves. Garmin Pay is reportedly getting support for Wells Fargo, Capital One, and Navy Federal. Huge wins for U.S. users who were left out of previous Garmin Pay rollouts. Contactless pay isn't flashy, but it's a real-world lifesaver when you're out riding or running and need to grab a drink or snack. Emergency features that matter. Safety has always been part of Garmin's toolkit, but the Fenix 8 Pro could take it to the next level with deeper in-reach satellite network integration. While it's unlikely the watch will support full texting via satellite, Garmin seems to be saving that for its premium MARQ line. It can link with the InReach Mini 2 for satellite SOS. That's already a huge deal for solo adventurers, hikers, and ultrarunners. When your phone has no signal and things go wrong, that link could be the difference between safety and serious trouble. The leaked info also hints at new location sharing features and real-time tracking directly from the wrist. Performance meets power management. A new Snapdragon chip variant is rumored to power the Fenix 8 Pro, offering improved idle drain and enhanced responsiveness. Power management profiles are getting smarter too. You'll be able to switch modes, like sleep, daily, race, or expedition, by long pressing the top left button. Each mode will control everything from display brightness to how often the sensors check your vitals, helping you maximize battery depending on what your day looks like. This kind of deep customization is what sets Garmin apart from generic smartwatches. The Fenix 8 Pro won't just guess how to help you. It will let you program it to match your lifestyle, training load, and travel needs. Final thoughts from Technology Review. With everything we know so far, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro isn't just another iteration. It's a serious leap forward in almost every category. Display, battery, GPS, sensors, usability. Garmin is turning dials across the board. Yes, the price will sting, but for the right user, it may be entirely worth it. Garmin is finally giving us a watch that isn't just powerful, but also intelligent and refined. The Fenix 8 Pro might be the first true blend of a hardcore adventure watch with everyday smart features. From trails to triathlons to Tuesday morning meetings, this might be the all-in-one wearable Garmin users have been waiting for. Stay tuned to Technology Review for the official spec drop, hands-on impressions, and final verdict when the Fenix 8 Pro goes live.